This is a 1995 John Deere 445 garden tractor. This unit has a 54-inch deck. It's got a 22 horsepower Kawasaki engine. The deck is shaft driven rather than belt driven. It's got a new seat on it. It has a 22 horsepower motor, liquid cooled. This mower has hydrostatic foot pedals, differential lock, steering wheel tilt, hydraulic deck lift and lower. It's got cruise control. The lights work, and it has front hydraulics for the front as well. We'll go ahead and start it up so you can, it has 920 hours on it. We'll go ahead and start it up so you can hear what it sounds like and see it in action, and then we'll do a quick walk around the machine. It's fuel injected, so it starts right up. Quick walk around the machine. Like I mentioned, it's got a 54-inch cutting deck. That deck is shaft driven. Kind of hard to see it in there, but take a look at the pictures and you'll be able to see it. Both headlights work. It's got hydraulics for the front, so if you're putting an attachment on it, you can run it there. And it's got mounting brackets for attachments. It has power steering. You can see a power steering cylinder here. Hydrostatic foot pedals, forward and reverse, and here's your brake. It's got a new seat on it. The seat can move forward and backwards. You can add rear PTOs to this. I'm not sure how expensive those are or how hard they are to find. It has tail lights. Here's your differential lock, your mowing height adjustment, throttle, PTO engagement. This is your deck lift and lower, and this one underneath works the front hydraulics, parking brake, cruise control, and tilt steering. Take a look at the instrument cluster. You got your fuel gauge, front PTO, rear PTO battery, pressure, water temperature. Go ahead and open up the hood. Got a 22 horsepower engine, fuel injected. I'll need to double check the manufacturer. Had a new water pump installed. I think this hose is leaking just a little bit of coolant, so we'll look into getting that fixed. It was just washed out and cleaned. The air filter meter has a hose missing. should not be loose. It should be attached like that one. But this one is broken off. We'll try to get that glued back on. This mower runs great, works great. I mowed with it and it seems to mow just fine. It is missing, you know, it's got this one on this side, but on this side it's missing a cab corner. This is more like a, you know, a small, like I said, a small garden tractor than it is a lawnmower with all the features that it has, with the power that it has. If you're interested, it's a great machine. We're only asking $2,500 for it. Go ahead and give us a call or shoot us over an email. See about coming and taking it for a test spin. Thanks for watching.